Hi, my name is Charlene and I am a Shein shopper. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charlene and I am back with another not requested, but because I am a shopaholic for Shein, I have another haul. Well, actually for this time I'm actually going to Vegas. So I thought I needed to purchase some outfits because I'm going to a convention professional, and also cute little items that I can wear to Vegas, Vegas, okay? So it is a very huge box. Like, what is wrong with me? I'm also a little bit under the weather, but you guys, let me tell you how Shein upgraded the bags. Like, I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to be using this to help me pack for my trip. So everything I got was in a 1XL or a XL. Yeah. So the first item I have, this is going to be a zipper back puff sleeve split hem jumpsuit. These things are too long. I got it for $12.43, okay? When I saw this on a model, I was like, I really love it because of like the way it is. So of course I got it in black. I like the little puff things. I guess I'm bringing it back. You could add like a belt around it if you want to. It's not see-through and it's very stretchy. And at the bottom, I love the detail at the bottom where it just like opens up. I can't wait to rock it. Fits me nice, you know what I'm saying? Like a good pair of Spanx. It's not gonna hurt nobody when I wear this. It's really nice and simple, but you could always add like a belt, or you could accessorize it to make it more bam. So the next thing I have, this is a skirt, a solid pencil skirt. I got it for $5.80. This is like a navy blue skirt, and I like it. It has like the details up there, and then this is how long it is. It's nice and stretchy like always, and it fits very nice. There's no slits or anything, because sometimes I don't like when they have like the slits, because the slits like they overslit, and then sometimes I just don't, you know, so I just like it straight pencil skirt. And I don't have this color in my closet. I probably didn't, probably doesn't fit anymore, but yeah, so I went ahead and I purchased this one. So the next item that I have is this pink. It's a keyhole black puff sleeve top. I got it for $8.29. This is what it looks like. So it kind of resembles the jumpsuit that I have, like as far as the sleeves are concerned. I guess it's coming back, but now like I guess it's making it come back. And I really like it. So it was a little tight around the chest area, so when I try to put my hands up, it would lift up, and then like around here too. So it was kind of hard to take it out, but by the grace of God himself, I took off the shirt. This is a waterfall collar belted coat. I got it for $10.77. So it's just a nice little coat, nice and fancy. You know, let's say if it was like kind of cool or something and I wanted to just wear this, I can. I really like it. They have it in different colors, but I got it in black because black is my favorite color. I have so many black stuff, and it comes along with the little string so you can tie it around, and it's very cute. I like it. It's not bad at all. Yeah, I like it. I like this one, so it's not bad. And it's not thick. It's like a nice thin material. So like if you were to like go somewhere like at a restaurant or somewhere, you know it's gonna be kind of like chilly, you can definitely wear that. So I can definitely wear that. The next item that I have, this is a frill trim balloon sleeve gold dot top. I got it for $9.11. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I like it. But the sleeves up here, it's so like big. I wish it was like a little bit, you know, cinched in, but it's so big that it falls over. Like my hands fall through in it. But I do like the detailing that they have around the neck area, and also the front of the shirt, and also on the sleeve of the shirt. It has the detailing as well. So yeah, it's pretty cute. I like it. Can't wait to wear it. Okay, so the next item I have is this skirt. This is a plaid pencil skirt. Duh. This is a plaid pencil skirt. I got it for $5.80. I really like it. It looks so bright, doesn't it? It's just really bright, and it really is. And it's a nice length-wise. I think it's like below my knees or above my knees or something like that. Yeah, I love wearing skirts. They're so easy to just throw on and stuff like that. So yeah, and I don't have this one. I have other colors. I have black in my closet, but I don't have this color. So I just decided to go ahead and purchase it, and I really like it. And it fits, and it's also stretchy. So that's always a plus in my book, okay? So the next thing that I have is this shirt, grid mesh yoke solid top. I got it for $7.46. This is what it looks like. I've always seen these, but I've always been like afraid to purchase them. I don't know why, but I tried it on and I really like how it is. And you can also like wear like your bra, and your bra will show through to give the illusion that it's a t-shirt underneath it, even though it's not. So I really like that. It fits pretty nice and snug. It's not like loose, maybe around the arm area like it's supposed to be, but like around this area, around the what is the chest area, around the chest area, it fits pretty solid. So yes, the next thing I got, you guys, I got a leather skirt. Wouldn't it look so cute with this shirt? Oh, I can't wait to try it on with this shirt. Yes. Oh my god, leopard print with a leather skirt, baby girl. Okay, so it's a long leather skirt. I don't have anything leather. My mom has a leather skirt, but she was like, it ain't gonna fit you because you bigger than me. And I'm like, okay, mom, thanks. But I went ahead and I got my own leather skirt, and I think mine is cuter than hers. These buttons are just here for how do you call it, aesthetics. But it doesn't button up or down. They do have the zipper on the side. I couldn't zip it all the way up, but if I tried, like if I have somebody help me, then definitely. But I did get a chance to put it through. So aside from having the zipper, it has the thing right here that you put through to help you. So that's what I had to do. And yeah, it was very nice. It's a long skirt, which I don't mind. You can wear it with boots or with heels or whatever floats your boat, you know. Just get your leather skirt, you know. How do you iron a leather skirt? Or do you not iron a leather skirt? I don't know. I'll figure it out though. The next item I have is this dress, and you guys, it's so pretty, but it doesn't fit me. I'm so upset. Like, I wish it did. Well, when I first tried it on, I was like, it doesn't fit, but if only I realized that there's a zipper. So I had to unzip it so I can go ahead and try it on. But even then, because of this area right here, this beloved area right here, it did not fit all the way through. But I'm definitely going to go ahead and exchange it for a bigger size because I really, really love it. And it also comes with like the belt, and I like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and exchange it for a bigger size. Right. And the next outfit I have is the brother or sister or cousin to my shirt. Look. Oh, just like more greenish or something like that. I don't know. But this is like a leopard print dress, and I got it for $6.63. I got it in a 0XL. I probably should have gotten it in a 1XL because it was a little tight, and I did not know it was gonna be that short. I mean, on the model it looked kind of short, but I was like, nah, baby girl, that thing is short. And I was like, no thanks. So I'm definitely going to just return this one. Maybe get another leopard print dress, just not this one. But it's cute though. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Should I return it or not return it? Well, I had to return it maybe for a bigger size, but look at the details at the top. It's like stretchy, like a little, like, what's it, crimpy? I don't know fashion words, I'm sorry. But it's cute at the top. Like, it has like the same puffy thing at the top. So like, it's giving me pretty in pink vibes. That's what it's giving me. Too bad it's not giving me it fits me vibes. The next thing I got is, I got this coat, and don't know, you guys. I really like it, but like the coat has been shedding because of how, do you guys see how it is up here? Like, I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be, if that's how it was designed, or if they gave me a defective one. Like, I don't know. Like, I have to go look online to see, because I really like it. I don't want to return it because I really like it. I like the detailings, the buttons. I just love this as a whole. Like, it's giving me like rich auntie vibes. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes, like look at this. Like, who is she? You know what I'm saying? So it's very nice and long. You can wear this and like wear like some shorts underneath it, or however you want to dress it up or dress it down. But I just really, really like it. But I have to see, how much did I pay for this again? Oh, I only paid $8.21. It's a shawl collar houndstooth tweed pea coat. Okay, so it's supposed to be, because the model, hers is shedding too, so it's supposed to be like that. Okay, so I guess it's not defective. That's just how the style of the thing is. But I feel like it's shedding so much that, you know, like one day I'm just gonna try to put it on and I'm just gonna find like a piece of string. You know what I'm saying? So, but I really, really, really like it. It's giving me, darling, you are very rich vibes. The next thing I got is, you guys, I'm so less than smart. I thought it was like a two-piece bikini. However, it was just the bottom. I've never purchased bikinis online, so I didn't know what to get. I think I got a size 1XL, which I'm pretty sure will fit and probably like hide my tummy. I thought I was gonna be able to hopefully, you know, wear this when I go to Vegas if it's not cold or whatever. But I thought it was gonna come with a top, which it doesn't. It just comes with this. I didn't try this on because I don't know, and it's non-refundable. It doesn't let you return accessories or, you know, bras and underwears and stuff like that. So I'm stuck with it. Insert a picture of how the model looked with like the top and the bottom. And that's what I thought I was getting for my $4, but I guess not. I misunderstood. So now for accessories, I got this belt. Look how pretty this belt is. Look how cute the belt is. Isn't it pretty? Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay, and I also have like some hair accessories. They were like $2. And look, you guys, I didn't even know that until it came that, look, it's the same as all that I have in my hair right now. So I got this from the beauty supply store, and one of them is missing, which is very sad. But look, oh, it's a smaller one. Okay, never mind. It's just a smaller one, but it's cute though nonetheless. And I got all of these all together. I paid $1.66 for these hair accessories. So this one is like a thing of hearts going down, which is cute. This one, I don't know what it is, but it's cute. And then this one, which is also cute. So you just, you know, spin it through or whatever. And yeah, and then I have this one, and I have a regular gold bobby pin. Not bad for $1, okay? I ended up with 2 handbags. So the first one is this chain decor quilted crossbody bag, and I paid $7.46. Look how pretty it looks. It looks like what is it, like a Chanel or YSL or whatever you want to call it. But isn't it pretty though? I paid like $7. Like, it's very pretty. You guys see this? Yes. And then like this is how it looks, and then you could either pull one up to make it longer, or pull them both together to give you like that handbag look. Or if you want to do the crossbody or have it longer, you can definitely go like this. But this is what it looks like. It's very cute. And then you just open it this way. There's no pockets inside, just this little baby pocket right here. But then there's no other pockets inside. So there's no other pockets inside. The next bag that I got is another twist lock croc embossed chain bag. I paid $6 for it, and this is what it looks like. Isn't it cute though? It's cute. It's really tiny though. It's like an off-white. This is a lock, and then you just twist it to open it up. It's like it doesn't have any substance. Like, it's like, but it's very cute. I like the gold chain. Isn't it pretty? So yeah, But it's the same as the other black bag, so you can go both ways with it. You can go like this, or you can go like this. You guys, that's pretty much it. Like, I didn't do too bad, right? I'm not that much of a shopaholic, right? Right? I was very satisfied, as I always am with Shein, because you can get the look for less, and who doesn't like that? So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys have made it to the end of the video, you are the real MVP. And if you want to see more of this face, this beat face on your timeline, subscribe to your girl or her. And last but not least, put God first and you will never be last. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. God bless.